Hi guys, Pete from Boosted Bogan. We're here today with Monica. This is a little bit of a break of change from what we would typically do with an in-car interview, but today we've actually got some photos. I'll put them up now. Hi guys, Boosted Bogan here. Today we're in the largest interview I've done so far with the show. We're in the pinkest caravan I've seen, being towed by a lovely pink Torana. And I'm here with Monica to get a few questions about this whole ensemble and kind of get a bit of the story behind it. Please, the whole pink theme, everything is pink. Yep. What is the inspiration?
So the inspiration is the car. So our car's a 1972 LJ Torana. It's in a Torana colour, which is called Champagne Pink. So a lot of people are a bit surprised by that. They're saying, why did you paint it pink? It's a Torana colour. That's the colour it came out in. Most of the things that we've got here in the caravan are to match the car.
Yeah, I really love the theme and all together. So obviously the sort of pretty and pink theme. Yeah. So you say it's an original Torana colour. Was it a fact? So it would have been a special order, I'd imagine. It's a factory colour. Yeah, yeah. It's called Champagne Pink. Wow. So so there's not many of them made in that colour. Yeah. Yeah, it's unusual to be able to actually get it. So I'd imagine you probably wouldn't have seen many if you went in to buy one at the time. You wouldn't have seen many of these in the showroom. No. It would have been, hey, I want it in pink. Oh yeah, we do that. And so you get this gorgeous example. The best part is it's a factory paint. Like that's unreal to think that colour is actually a Holden's white colour. Yeah. I love the little theme. I love just sort of the retro feel to it. Do you get a lot of interest? Like obviously I've seen just today we've had so many people in and out. Yeah. How much interest and how many questions do you get about it? Yeah, plenty. We have a lot of people in and it's really enjoyable for us to see that, and especially the people saying, oh, I had one of those, you know, the hairdryer, I had one of those, or even the tea sets. Everything that I've got is vintage. Yeah. It's either pink or blue. The inside of our van is blue. So it's a bit of a mixture. Yeah, we love it. Love sharing it with everyone. Yeah. Probably the most common question that we get answered is, do you actually sleep in it? Yep. And we do. We do take the van to car shows like we have today, but we also do go camping in it. Yeah, fantastic. No, it's good to see that it's like, that's my favourite thing. It's all well and good to have a show car, but it's good to see that it actually gets used. It's crazy. Do you take it with the Torana sometimes when you do that as well? Sometimes, not often. We do go to an annual vintage caravan gathering in Shell Harbour. Yeah. And we're from Shell Harbour, so we do tow it there. It's like 3 k's in the car. Yeah, fantastic. But we don't tow it on long distances. Yeah. The car has the capability to do that, but we just don't want to put the extra wear and tear on it. Yeah, of course. And at the end of the day, there's not the necessity. If you've got something else, you can tow it. I mean, this caravan on its own is a bit of a spectacle, with or without the car, so you can really take either separately. So I can understand that. Yeah. Fantastic. Is there any favourite items you have in here? I do have a couple of special items, so things that are special from my family members. Yep. Yeah, I do have some things that have been gifted or entrusted to me from friends as well, so they're pretty special. Yeah, this vase, for example, this is an actual crystal vase that we have in our caravan, but my mum brought that for her parents for their 50th wedding anniversary, so that's pretty special. How old do you think that would be then? I'm not sure actually. That's all right. It's not one of those things you think of. You don't make a point of memorising the day you bought the vase. No, it's gorgeous. I really love the theme. It really suits the car and the sort of the spirit of it. It has a very pin-up girl kind of feel. I love your outfit and your setup. Thank you. I'll have to get a shot of you in front of the caravan shortly with the little umbrella. It's a very hot day. Yeah, very warm. You wouldn't want to stand out there in the sun just on its own. How long did it take you? Was it sort of like over a couple of days or over a month, or was it just sort of like adding little bits and pieces over a couple of years? Probably, so the caravan's all original except for the paintwork outside. We have painted that to match the car. The stuff that I've collected, I have been collecting over a long time. So like I said, some were from family, some are gifts.
a lot of the stuff I get from op shops. Yeah, and it's as soon as I see something, I go, oh, I've got a spot for that. Yeah, so.
No, it's fantastic. It's just such a unique style. Thank you very much, Monica. Appreciate your time.
Thanks for your time.
Gorgeous car, gorgeous caravan. Love it all.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Thanks.